today we are going to start adding and subtracting rational expressions. I believe today is just adding, and then we're not going to finish this till Monday of next week because of AZ Merit. So you guys don't have to take AZ Merit unless you're a sophomore, but I'm going to be getting a lot of kids moving between classes, so I'm not going to teach tomorrow and Thursday. Tomorrow and Thursday will be work days. So just like when we added fractions with just numbers on the bottom, our denominators need to be the same. So in order to add them, they need to have the same bottom. So number one, they both have 4x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine the numbers on the top. So 7 plus 3 gets me 10. And the bottom is just going to stay 4x. And then I can simplify if necessary. I don't know what I wanted to say there. That sounded weird. So 10 and 4 are both even. So I can divide both of these by 2. Because they're both even. I would see if a different number divided them. So like if it was like 12 and 4, I would, no, those are both even. 12 and 3, so like if one is odd and one is even, I would see if they both are divisible by 3. So that gets me 5 over 2x. Questions here? Oh. Okay, so number 2. These I can just add. 5 plus 2 gets me, what's 5 plus 2? 7. Over 21x. So this is an example of what I was talking about earlier. These ones can be divided by 7. Because they're both multiples of 7. So on top, what's 7 divided by 7? And 21 divided by 7? 3. So questions on number 2? Okay. Yeah. They're going to have them do part 1 in tomorrow and then part 2 on Friday. Because it's the writing section and they need a full 2 hours to do writing. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I was so confused.
Alright. So, number 3. I don't know why they had you take it yesterday. They told me it was today. So, on number 3, this one is subtraction. So, what I can do is I change the sign and then put it in front of my terms. Hold on. This is for today. Oh. It says ACT Wednesday morning. Okay. Sorry. And then I'd have 2x, because that one doesn't change, minus 5 over the x plus 6. Can I simplify anything here? No, I can't, because because of the plus sign and minus signs, I have to get out the exact expression. So this one is actually just going to stay like that. So on number 4, what do I want to do? Change the sign. So this is going to become a plus and this is going to become a negative 3. So when I combine them, I have 4x minus 3 on the top. And then on the bottom, x minus 5. What? Is it frozen? Okay. It was frozen too. That was my bad. Okay, so on number 5, this is kind of like the other ones, except when I change my sign, I want to change it for each of my terms. So that's going to become a negative 2x and a negative 1. So I have positive 4x minus 2x, which is going to give me 2x. And then I have 3 minus 1, which gives me 2. And then on the bottom, I have x squared plus 1. Okay. Can I simplify this? Okay, what do I get when I simplify? So I can factor out a 2 on the top, and it could be 2 times x plus 1. Can I factor that bottom? Can I find two numbers that multiply to positive 1 and add to 0? What numbers? Does that multiply?
Wait.
So I actually can't. When it's a positive and it's only 2 terms, with an x squared, I can't. So this is as much as I can factor it. Can I cancel anything out? It has to be the whole expression if I'm going to cancel it. No, so this first answer is actually fine. Okay. Yeah, sometimes you do work and it doesn't simplify. So questions on number 5. Okay, so on number 6, what do I want to change? Okay, so this is going to become positive. The 5 becomes negative. What about that 8? Positive. So then I have 2x minus 5x. Okay. And negative 3, positive 8. 5. And then on the denominator, x plus 4. Can I simplify this? Nope. Nothing factors out of either one, so